Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be showing you how I do eyelash extensions without going to the eyelash place. Basically doing eyelashes at home. So in college I kind of did something similar to this, but in college I used to put the lashes like on top of my lashes, and I used to use clear glue. So let's start with this. These are my lashes. This is how they look. They're from Ardell. I got them on Amazon. These are the medium ones. I meant to get the small, medium, long ones, but I got all medium, so they're all gonna be like, you know, huge. So it's kind of annoying, but it's okay. And the dark adhesive, so it's black. So I used to do this in college. I couldn't afford in college individual lashes and stuff, so I used to do strips, and then one day I got tired of strips and I was like, I want them to last, like, you know, but I couldn't afford individuals. I think I got individuals, my first time getting individuals was in college, and I was like, dang, these really changed the game for your eyes. But I couldn't afford them, getting them, you know, all the time. So I stopped. I was like, I'm gonna do this myself. So I got these, and I would use clear glue and put them on top, and they were cute and all, but they start to clump together after a few days, and they start to get you can see the clear clumping and stuff, and that used to really annoy me. Long story short, when I graduated college and I got a real job, I was able to afford getting individuals, so I started getting individuals. But I stopped getting individuals a few years ago. I wanted to go the more natural route, and I started doing, you know, just rocking my natural lashes or whatever. I started doing just mascara and stuff. Then I got tired of that, and then I got caught up in like strips again. So that's what I do now. I currently do strips just because it's just easier. Because I think one time I went to the eyelash place, and the technician got glue in my eyes, and my eyes were so irritated, and yeah, that wasn't cool. So I was like, let me start wearing my natural lashes or whatever. And my natural lashes are like, they're like kind of long. Like, they look short as fuck, but my natural lashes are super thin. They're super thin. So they look so, it makes them look really short, but they're actually pretty long. And when I like thicken them up with mascara, they get pretty long. I don't like mascara because it's really irritating to take off. I'd rather just wear like a strip of lashes than put on mascara. I came across this video by this girl named Mala. That's how she says her name, but her name is Ala. I recently, when I was going through her videos, and I found out that she actually passed away last year, which is really sad. But she has a video where she shows you how to use these kind of lashes, make them look real, make them last, and you won't get that clumping effect on the top. I get tweezers, but I'm gonna use my fingers. I feel like I have more control of my fingers. I have this piece of paper. This is what it looks like. It's real black. I'm going to pour, hope y'all can see, y'all all close and personal. Okay, so I'm gonna start off taking the first lash piece off, like, oh, bent it a little bit. Dip it in this glue here. I'm gonna dab it. Now, what the girl does in the video, she puts them under her lashes. Ooh, I can barely see. Okay, so I'm gonna start off like that. Oh, so we're gonna just like, and you're not gonna put it on your skin. You're gonna put it on the lash. So she said the key is to fan. I'm gonna dab it again. Okay, try to get the front of it because I'm doing it underneath, not on top. She said when you do it underneath, it works better. So we gonna listen to her because her lashes looked very good. So. Alright, I'm getting the hang of it, I think it's, you know, coming together. I haven't had lashes individually this long in a while, so. Ooh, this is nice so far. I'm not getting any bad clumping. Okay, so far so good. I have almond shaped eyes. my eyes are nice on their own, but lashes, I mean, this is for most people's eyes, but lashes really bring out the shape of my eye. So, you know, my natural lashes aren't the best. Yikes. Now, I usually like short lashes that are thick. I like these so far because they don't feel clumpy. Like I said, I used to do this back in the day when I was in college. And it used to get real clumpy. And it's because of the kind of glue I was using. But I didn't know what else to use. So this is how it's looking so far. Alright guys, I'm back. I applied the lashes I want to apply. And this is how it looks right now. So you see the difference between this lash, and this lash, this lash. The major difference in length and darkness and thickness. If I move back, you can see it too. So you can see from the side how it like really, and then on the side how this really like blah. The girl who did the video that I saw, she said you won't be able to see it like it from the inside. Like if you want to do this, you can't really see like where it like sits or starts or whatever because of how it's going underneath and not on top. I can't really tell that's what is happening right now, but I want to just check. Okay, I just checked and you kind of can see them, but that's because my eyelashes are really thin, so you can kind of see how it like, you know, but it's not that noticeable. It's not as much as if I were to put lashes on top. So right now they feel very lightweight. If I like squeeze my eyes, it doesn't hurt or anything. I mean, I can kind of feel a little bit of stickiness, but that's just because I just put that one on right there. But by the time it like fully dries, it should be fine. I don't feel it really. I don't really feel it. It feels very lightweight. Like I remember I used to put them on, I used to feel heavy, and I used to be able to like really feel them on my eyelid. They're not on my eyelid, they're on my eyelash. So my eyelash falls out, it'll fall out. I put some more. The key is to not let not to put too much glue on here because you don't want it to like I just did. You don't want it to dry because then it starts to not stick right. I might be a little harder since I'm right-handed, doing it on the left side. And I don't have as much control with my left hand as I do my right hand. Nice to be messy with it, and it would touch my skin and it will hurt. The key is to get it on the lashes. The other eye like was done in like 5 minutes. This eye is, it's been 5 minutes already, and you know, she ain't having it. Here we go. Alright, I think I got the hang of this. So I got a few on there. I got a few. Okay, so I just opted to like just pouring this like this and waiting until it gets to like the tip and then just dabbing so I could get fresh glue so I don't have to deal with the sticky dry glue. This like technique worked better on her lash. The girl who I got these ideas from lashes, because her lashes are thicker than mine, so they like held on better to her lashes, and mine are so fine. But I can hear say if you have fine lashes like me, it works, you know, it's sticking. At least I think it is. It's a little challenging. Alright guys, so woo, I'm gonna do one more. Boom. Okay. So this is how they look, shorty. This is how they look. Another thing I wanted to add is that when I grab them, they don't pull off, like, at all. You know, so I can tell they're gonna stay. And they don't hurt, and that's what I really like, because they don't hurt. I could barely feel them. So I can sleep peacefully and not feel like Damn, I got some on my eye. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't they look natural? I mean, yeah, you can see like, you know, you can see like the bulb a little bit right here, but it's not bad, especially for some do-it-yourself type stuff. It looks really natural, and it's just as nice as strips, but I can sleep in them. I don't gotta take them off, and they're not uncomfortable, because strips have gotten uncomfortable too sometimes, because I'm putting them on top of my lashes versus underneath them. So yeah, you know, it's just a little touch that just adds a little flair, you know, it just adds a little oomph to your eyes when you don't have lashes.